To fix 100% disk usage on Windows HDD PCs, press Windows R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box, then type service.msc and press enter on your keyboard. Now scroll down and locate system main known as SYS main. The items here are alphabetically arranged, so to make it easier for yourself, just scroll down until you can find S, and then when you get on the S items, look for system main as you can see. Now right click on system main and click stop. Now after stopping the service, the next thing you want to do is to disable it. Go ahead and right click on it again, click on properties, and then under startup type set it to disable, then click apply and OK. And once you're done with that, close this service screen and restart your system. Click to restart. Once the restart is done, open up your task manager by pressing Ctrl Shift Escape on your keyboard. Click on the performance tab and you will see that the disk usage has actually dropped significantly. If you found this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video.